Okay, showed you how to do that. Same piece of paper towel. Well, I'm a magician and the purple's gone and it's straight again. You can do this with a piece of paper. You can do it with anything that you have around the house. Push my glasses up. Just take it. If it wants to flop around, that's okay. Just let it do whatever it wants to do. Like I said, in this business, there's no rules. Okay, you got a neat little pattern. Now you got to name another $10 shirt. How long did that take me to do that? Less than 30 seconds. You can add to it if you want. Just do whatever. No rules. The only rule is have fun.